Cold welding machine repairs iron balls. Cold welding machine plus welding wire to fill small gaps. Solder copper bars, melt instantly. Lap welding, welding along the gap, pulse current 18.
速度的话是根据个人掌握。
Cold welding machine plus welding wire, lap welding, fixed roll. Cold welder welding springs, close-up view of solder joints. Welded galvanized ring, spot welded.
点焊。
If the brass tube is welded without welding wire, the color of the solder joint after welding is the same as that of the base metal. Edges and corners are welded with welding wire, which is used for casting repair and wear. Add welding wire to build up height. The effect is great. Solder copper wire. Welding the outer corner of the aluminum plate. The weld bead is very dense, and the effect will be very beautiful.
看一下这个焊道。
Weld 2 aluminum sheets. The pulse current is 35, the pulse time is 40. After welding, it can be touched by hand, and the temperature is not high. The pulse current of the cold welding machine needs to be adjusted according to the thickness of the plate. Too much current will easily break down the plate.
这个就是电流过大，会出现这种情况。